Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can exchange your Starfall Shards in Heartopia. So for instance, I really want the pink one, but I only have 11 because I just got it today. Like, they added the pink Starfall Shard today. So I want more, like, shards. Basically, go to the color you want, so pink. Select this, and you're just going to want to then exchange it with the white Starfall shard because you'll have like a lot anyways. I'll just do 20 right now because I don't know what to buy actually. Redeem, and then you'll get 20 of the Starfall shard in the color you want. So yeah, that is basically it really. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.